Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fine-tune your own AI model using Google AI Studio. First, go to aistudio.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, look for an option like Create or Fine-Tune Model. It might be in the main menu or sidebar. Select a base model. Gemini is a great place to start now. Upload your training data. Make sure it's in a compatible format like JSONL. With clear prompt response examples, you can adjust training settings like epochs or learning rate. Or just stick with the recommended defaults. Click Start Training. This might take some time, depending on your data. Once it's done, test your custom model right in the playground to see how it performs. If you're happy with the results, hit Deploy to use your fine-tuned model in your apps or projects, and that's all it takes. If you found this helpful, feel free to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.